Hi everyone, this is Miss Boland. Hope you're doing well. We're going to look at Unit 1, 1.1, American Imperialism Crash Course. Here you can find the video and notes what the video is about or a quick summary. Here is the actual assignment, the Crash Course American Imperialism. You open up the PDF. When you are done, you will submit these questions with their answers right there on Canvas. On these, like number 2 on the short answer questions, short answer question, those are all worth 2 points. Just for your information, you'll be able to submit it under this heading of the assignment. Let's just go to Crash Course American Imperialism. Here is your video. Most of my students like to open this up on a separate browser on YouTube on their phones, or have it on your phone and do the assignment on your iPad or use a computer. Completely up to you, whatever works and is helpful for you. Alrighty, American Imperialism. This video, you will watch John Green teach you about imperialism. In the late 19th century, the imperialist powers of Europe were running around the world, obtaining colonial possessions, especially in Africa and Asia. The United States, which as a young country was especially susceptible to peer pressure, followed along and snapped up some colonies of its own. The U.S. saw that Spain's hold on its empire was weak, and like some kind of expansionist predator, it jumped into the Cuban War for independence and turned it into the Spanish-Cuban-Filipino-American War, which usually just called the Spanish-American War. John will tell you how America turned this war into colonial possessions like Puerto Rico, the Philippines, and almost even got Cuba. The U.S. was busy in the Pacific as well, wresting control of Hawaii from the Hawaiians. All this and more in globe trotting, a pressing episode of Crash Course U.S. History. Big vocab words in here: susceptible, easy synonym for that. Synonym for that. The young country was especially susceptible to peer pressure. They easily went under. They could hard to push back from. They really, all these other big countries are going out and taking over and making colonies, and this young country was like, well, we better do it too. The last vocab, oppressing. Usually you hear the word oppression when it's used to keep a people down. Maybe the oppression of minorities, oppression of women. That's pretty much it. Any other words, you could go to our writing module and look those up on the online dictionary. All right, I think this is all you will need for this assignment. Good luck.